Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how I manage fever and cough with my NEET preparation. I woke up around 6 a.m. and dove straight into my maths practice. But after some time, I get dozed off on my table. Then again I started my studies by having a tea. It was really refreshing. I don't know why I love studying while having fever, but I will fall asleep after a while. Then I got up and had some food and medicine. Medicine is the secret of my energy. After that, I started studying. But I don't know when I fell asleep. Then I started studying by having some vitamin D. Then I attended my NEET classes, which keeps me consistent. Practiced PYQs from DPPs, modules and question banks. Then I go to bed by 10 o'clock. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.